Ezindaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazo ezinohlonze emini nje.
Mntanomhle, we're sick and tired of judges that are bribed and taking decisions, abnormal decisions, corrupt decisions.
Sekuboshwe abafundi abathathu benyuvesi Walter Sisulu kwalimala nephoyisa elilodwa ngesikhathi siqubuka izibhelu esikhungweni salenyuvesi saseMthathe Eastern Cape kulandela isinqumo sokudedelwa ngebheyili kosolwa ngokubulala umfundi wayo lenyuvesi.
Ukulwa apha bekulwa amaphoyisa naba abantu abasebenza ezimayini zamazama isizathu asazi bakwazi ukulwela apha thina sihlala khona thina silale with this mhlawumbe nobe ngabo 12 to 1.
Section oyedwa ngesikhathi kunokudubulana phakathi kwamaphoyisa kanye neqembu labasolwa ngokumbango kungemthethe imayini endaweni eyimjondolo izamimpilo eRivali eGoli.
The state is playing games here. It is playing games. They know that they don't have a case and they are still going to be embarrassed.
Lawa owabe engundunankulu wase-Free State u-Ace Mahashule uthi kuzogcina kuvelile ukuthi icala lakhe linenhlese yezombusazwe. Lokhu njengoba selihlehliselwe uMasingana wangonyaka ozayo icala lenkohlakalo emayelana nethenda lokususwa kophahla lwetsheboya endlini zakulesi yasifundazwe.
There's a tendency by the minister not to attend our meetings. We discuss, we debate, we interrogate in the absence of the minister.
Ikomiti lasePhalamende libhekele ezemidlalo belingeneme ngokuthi ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo uGayton McKenzie akazange alibhade ngesikhathi ubuholi beSAFA buvele ngaphambi kwaleli komiti. Mbokelisi kubingelele sikwamukele indabeni zasemini enzethulela unoxolo uMamtshali wakwaMwali ihlabanganeli mhlophe qwa. Sibonga kakhulu ke mbukeli ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi namhlanje emini. Sekuboshwe abafundi abathathu benyuvesi iWalter Sisulu kwalimala nephoyisa elilodwa ngesikhathi siqubuka izibhelu esikhungweni salenyuvesi saseMthatha eEastern Cape kulandela isinqumo sokudedelwa ngebheyili kosolwa ngokubulala umfundi wayo lenyuvesi.
Abafundi basenyuvesi iWalter Sisulu bavuke umbhejazane namhlanje kuseni betholana phezulu namaphoyisa aqaphe isimo kule ndawo. Kubikwa ukuthi abafundi abaneme ngesinqumo sayizolo ngemuva kokuba inkantolo yemantshi yakule ndawo inikeze imeneja isebenza endaweni ehlala abafundi ibheyili yezinkulungwane eziyishumi zamarandi.
Everything that is happening now, you should blame it on Magistrate Xolo. You understand? Because in his preamble, in his judgment, he did mention that there's a public outcry that in the interest of justice, Mr. Mambana must not be released.
Abafundi abathathu sebekhalelwe ngamasongo kasigonyela ngezinsolo zokuphehla udlame emphakathini kanti kulimale nephoyisa elilodwa kulombhikisho.
Right now, 3 students have been arrested and they will be charged with public violence, damage to infrastructure and damage to state property.
Kusenjalo abazali kanye nengonyama yesizwe sabathembu abenemeneze ngokuqhubeka ewusu njengamanje.
Mntanomhle, we're sick and tired of judges that are bribed and taking decisions, abnormal decisions, corrupt decisions. This time around, we will not respect that stupid court of law. I am the court of first instance on this land. I will refrain, I will retract or change that court case to my court.
Sifuna ukuqonda ba abantwana bethu njengoba begadwe ngolhlobo belwela into yokwenyani uMampane ephumile abantwana bethu beswelekile mina ngiswelekela umntana uphansi komhlaba umama kasethu umntwana wakhe usesibhedlela azikakhutshwa ibullets ezimbini abantwana bethu abachisanga into apha esikolweni ababulalanga festile kodwa bazogadwa ngemipu.
Abakwasidlodlo basiqaphe ngesolokhozi isimo kule nyuvesi.
Section oyedwa ngesikhathi kunokudubulana phakathi kwamaphoyisa kanye neqembu labasolwa ngokumbango kungemthetho eyimayini endaweni eyimjondolo izamimpilo eRivali eGoli.
Izakhamuzi zasemjondolo yasezamimpilo eRiveries zikhala ngenkohlakalo eyenziwa amaphoyisa aseLanglaagte njengoba ziwasola ngokufumbathiswa abasolwa ngokumba ngokungemthetho. Zengeze ngokuthi sezilala obenyoni ekubeni zona zingazibandakanyi nabasolwa ngokumba ngokungemthetho.
Sikhala ngecrime la sempilo. Crime iningabi and crime yakhona mawuthi uyayibheka ikhozwa ngamaphoyisa waseLanglaagte. Crime yakhona ukulwa apha bekulwa amaphoyisa naba abantu abasebenza ezimayini zamazama. Isizathu asazi bakwazi ukulwela apha thina sihlala khona thina silale with this mhlawumbe nobe ngabo 12 to 1 izibhamu zishema passage phezulu kwemikhukhu yethu. Sifuna ukwazi ubusafety bethu buphi kahle kahle.
Isihlobo sesisulu sithi izolo siwuzwile umsindo wezibhamu nokuyilapho sibe sesikhuleka sicela ukuba umfowabo aphephe ngeshwa namhlanje kuseni sivuke ngezindaba ezibuhlungu zokudlula komfowabo.
I'm staying in Ravalli. This is Woshu in Zamampilo, but it's very common. Last night the gunshot was terrible. I even sat down on my couch and I prayed for my brother even last night to keep him safe. Just to hear this morning is no more.
Okhulumela amaphoyisa aseGauteng uthi bazama phambilini ukuxoxisana namalungu omphakathi ngokuthi kufanele ayeke ukufihla izigilamkhuba kule ndawo.
What is happening is that these people, the very same people that shot at the police last night, they are staying with the same community that is complaining today. So those people were in this informal settlement when they shot at the police.
Amaphoyisa ayaqhubeka nokuqapha isimo.
Lawo owayengundunankulu esifundazweni uAce Magashule nobhekene necala elimayelana nenkontileka yetshebo yayigidi ezingama255 zamarandi uthi umbuso uphezulu kwamaqhinga kuleli cala lokuza emva kokuba ukuqulwa kwecala kuhlehliselwe umhlazi ngama26 kumasingana ngonyaka ozayo.
The state is playing games here. It is playing games. They know that they don't have a case and they are still going to be embarrassed. They are going to be embarrassed. You will see, and that's why we are ready to embarrass the state.
Owayengundunankulu esifundazweni iFree State ukholele ukutheni umbuso uyayibona kwawona ukuthi ayikho lento yenzayo ngalezi insolo ebhekise kuye. Uveze nokuthi umbuso awusoze umthole necala usho lot futhi usasebenzisa amaqhinga ayisetshenziswa ngesikhathi sobandlululo njengoba wenza kanjena.
They can do whatever. They will never find Cholota guilty of anything. They can, they're still applying apartheid tactics of the past. But we have fought against apartheid. We'll still fight against injustices. You can see I'm angry because out there we are corrupt.
Okhulumeli NPA advocate Mthunzi Mhaka uthi sisazobhekisiswa isinqumo esikhishwe odabeni olumayelana nokubuyiswa kaCholota kuleli njengoba wayesemelika.
Application for leave to appeal the Schutz judgment in the Constitutional Court has been filed, and we are now engaging with the respondents' attorneys to see if we can get soon the directives from the Chief Justice. But as matters stand, there is a process to facilitate that application for leave to appeal.
Ngakolunye uhlangothi Magashule utufuna usuku nje enkantolo lapha azobonisa khona ukuthi ukubhekana kwakhe nalamacala kanye nasolwa nabo kungenxa yezombusazwe.
Iqembu umkhonto wesizwe kulindeleke ukuthi limemezele ukuthi ubani ozoba unobhala jikelele wayo omusha ngemva kokususwa kaFloyd Shivambu kulesi sikhundla. Leli qembu limemezele ukuthi uShivambu usezojutshwa njengelungu lePhalamende lokhu ke kulandela ukuvakashela kwakhe ibandla likaShepherd Bushiri eMalawi.
Ebesevele sabelela amahemhem ezinkundleni zokuxhumana athi iMK Party izokwenza isimemezelo esikhulu ngekusasa lika Shivambu. uShivambu wajoyina iMK ngonyaka odlule waseqokelwa esikhundleni sikaNobhala Jikelele. Ibisiqala imbiko yokuthi khona banganeme ngendlela aphethe ngayo. Ngo-April indodakazi kaMnumzana uJacob Zuma eyilungu leMK ePhalamende yangena ezinkundleni zokuxhumana ihlasela uShivambu. Kodwa ke yaphoqwa ukuthi ixolise. Lesigameko sabe sesilethe imibuzo mayelana nokungaboni ngasolinye epholini beqembu. Kusenjalo kwaqhamuka nekhansela leMK Party Northwest nalo lakhwela ladilika kuShivambu. Kodwa ke uhambo lwakhe lokuvakashela uPastor Shepherd Bushiri eMalawi ngama-Easter ukumfakele amazinyo abushelele.
It was confirmed that the trip was not officially sanctioned. It was not an officially sanctioned program of the organization or the president, which therefore goes against the constitution of the party.
Mongameli weqembu mnumzana uJacob Zuma uthi ziningi izikhala abasitholile ngalolu daba kodwa akazange nabe ngezizathu azibekile uShivambu ngohambo lwaseMalawi.
MJC, yes. MJC, they were complaining. There were quite a number of letters that came unhappy. They said a number of things. Because we were busy, this party, Mkhonto Wesizwe, was a very, very busy party. So we did not have time to leave what we were doing and jump to say what is happening. So we continued doing our work. They came, I think, almost 3 times.
Kanti ke umnumzana uShivambu ubonge iqembu ngokumnika ithuba lokuba unobhala walo.
I fully accept as a disciplined member of Mkhonto Wesizwe. We've been redeployed to the National Assembly and will continue to play the role of advancing the agenda and program of Mkhonto Wesizwe.
Akakacaci ukuthi ngubani ozongena esikhundleni sikanobhala kwezindaba ze-SABC ngu-Ayanda Mhlongo eThekwini.
Bukelisa siqu edolo kanti bangabe sibuya sokuphathela uWT.
He was a protector, a husband who loved deeply, a father who was gentle and proud.
Ihlobo nabangani bomlingisi ongasekho emhlabeni uPresley Chwenyagai bebebuthene eMahikeng ngesikhathi kubanjwe inkonzo yesikhumbuzo yokuqala yalomlingisi obedume ngelika Cobreezy. Siphinde sikubingelele imbukelo isikwamukele mangabe usanda kungena otabelo liphambili besibike ukuthi sekuboshwe abafundi abathathu benyuvesi iWalter Sisulu kwalimala nephoyisa elilodwa ngesikhathi kuqubuka izibhelu esikhungweni salenyuvesi saseMthathe eEastern Cape kulandela isinqumo sokudedelwa ngebheyili kosolwa ngokubulala umfundi wayo lenyuvesi. Mbukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Ungena nje kuzo uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba. Owesilisa obendawonye nobe ngumsolwa uphila ngenkosi Makhanya ogcine edutshulwa amaphoyisa eManzimtoti KwaZulu-Natal ngecala lokubulala uOlerato Mongale usolwa njengomunye kulabo abaqhuba izenzo zokuyengela ophathe abesifazane ukuze babaqole. Owesifazane ongathandanga ukudalulwa ukhulume neSABC uveza ukuthi lo msolwa wesilisa umuzwe ngesikhathi ekhuluma nabe indaba emva kokubulawa kukaMakhanya.
Into emishayile uthe bengasi inhloso yokuthi lo ashona. Yena ngokwenza kwakhe uthi ubesifunela imali. Nothing ayikho into abeyifuna, imali nje kuphela.
Yiyona lengxenye yenkulumo atholakale ngayo wesilisa osesolwa ngowesifazane kosephumele obala ngokuthi wake waba umgilwa owesilisa osehlonywe ngembuzo ngamaphoyisa njengomuntu owayesefletini ndawonye noMakhanya obefuna ngecala lika Olerato Mongale. Owesifazane esiligodlile igama lakhe langempela uthe ngeke lamdida noma nini iphimbo lowesilisa owamenza isilo sengubo ngosuku lwabo lokuqala ababeyikhipha ngalo beqala ukuhlangana.
Most of my friends that also knew texted me to say, yo, when we saw the story, we actually thought of you. And that's when I said exactly the same thing that happened was me. Then, as days went by, I saw an interview, right, that was made and it was going around socials. And, you know, when I heard this guy's voice that was being interviewed, I said, there's noise, this voice, I've heard it, this voice is the voice that lives in my mind rent free.
Lona wesifazane igama lakhe ligodliwe ukhala ngokuthi uphenyo lwamaphoyisa ngalolu hlobo lokugilwa kwabesifazane luphelele emoyeni kalula alusukunyelwa ngokufanele.
I think our justice system has failed us. Obviously there are other victims that are coming out. All I can say is I want justice. Justice must be served, especially to Olerato.
Emva kokudutshulwa kukaphila ngenkosi Makhanya ngeledlule bangaphezulu kwama-90 abesifazane asebephumele obala bevuma ukuthi nabo bake babanga abagilwa bobugebengu obebuqhutshwa ngomufi.
Mbukeli umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uvakashele ikhaya likalowo ngasekho bengumlingisi uCobrizli onguPresley Chonyahai njengamanje ake siphose intambo ke sibone ukwenzekayo njengamanje.
Ekurhuleni has been a very good woman. She led from the front. Most of those clean audits and delivery and the awards that are being won by Ekurhuleni, it was under her leadership. And I think we're going to miss her. And I hope she will not keep too much distance, but rather keep close contact and continue to advise, because she comes with a lot of wisdom and experience. She's a mother. We all call her Mama because she has earned it. When you work with people in a dignified way, in a polite way, giving us direction. I mean, when we went to Ekurhuleni municipality, she held our hand and showed us the way and how things are done. Unfortunately, age is no longer on her side. She will have to now go on retirement. And we wish her well, we wish her good health, and we hope she will continue to make a positive contribution wherever she's going.
Newsroom, Eyewitness News, Sunday Times, Mail and Guardian. Sure, Lunga.
No, thank you very much, President. On actually the one of the doctor in Ekurhuleni. What I understand is that council has rejected her to be paid for the last 2 years that the contract would have ended, because they are saying she goes on retirement, I think on the 29th of May. Are you then, as the EFF, going to support, saying that she must be paid the remainder? I know council rejected that, but is the EFF saying she must be paid for the remainder? And secondly, the new chief whip of MK Party has come and said, look, they would like to meet with the leadership of the EFF on a working relationship on the progressive caucus. Is that now that a person like Zanele Manye has left, that you would consider Colleen to coming to you and trying to find a balance between two working together? Thank you very much.
Well, the first one of the council.
Lawo ke mbukeli bekumholi we-EFF Julius Malema oyobhonga emsoneni laphaya ekhaya lika Presley Chonyahai. Siyambona ke lapho ke mbukeli ukuthi hayi intatheli sezimhlasele ngemibuzo ke enhlobonhlobo. Ake siqhubekele phambili. Ihlobo nabalingisi bomlingisi ongasekho emhlabeni uPresley Chonyahai bebebuthene eMahikeng ngesikhathi kubanjwe inkonzo yesikhumbuzo yokuqala yalomlingisi obedume ngelika Cobrizli. uChonyahai udlule emhlabeni eneminyaka engamashumi 4.
Izinhlangano ezahlukene kanye nabantu abadabuka ezingxenyeni zezwe babungaze impilo lesilomo somlingisi enkonzweni yesikhumbuzo yokuqala ebibanjelwe eMahikeng. Abanye bakhumbula isiqalo ohambeni lwabo kwezobuciko.
Yes, we won the Oscar. We brought the Oscar in the country. But Oscar doesn't make you a millionaire or a billionaire. Unfortunately, our country is not like America. So let's make the situation better. Let us recognize each other.
We lost, man, somebody who could have contributed a lot to this industry. His ideas, he had plans. He wanted us to come back home, try and revive it.
Abalandeli bakhe bathi ukhuthaza abaningi kanti futhi beziqhenya nangendawo yangakubo.
We'll really miss him, but what he got, it was something different, it was something special, it was something that God had given unto him.
Umndeni kaChonyahai uthi ubephile impilo enenjongo.
But to us, Presley was more than what the cameras captured. He was a protector, a husband who loved deeply, a father who was gentle and proud, a brother-in-law who made us laugh and made us think. He was always present, even in his busiest moments.
Inkonzo yesibili esikhumbuzo yalomlingisi ongasekho kulindele ukuthi banje eGauteng kusasa bese ngcwatshelwa ePitoli ngomgqibelo.
Iphini lomkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzolonke uLieutenant General Tibelo Musikidi uthi amaphoyisa asetshale izinsiza kusebenza ezithe xaxa ukubhekana namacala odlame oloyamene nobulili njengoba igameko ziqhubeka nokwanda.
We have committed on our 2030 strategy in this country that we want to see women and children and vulnerable groups working free by 2030. at any time, at any given time, you should be able to walk freely in this country. So on the dating apps, what we can do is only to educate, but that education is limiting again that we are going to teach women that please do not walk at night. I have 2 girls. I have 2 grandchildren who are girls. I have already told them that you will not leave this house or come back to the house at this time because it is dangerous out there. And this is not how we should be policing in this country. We should be policing any other crime, but we are now focusing more on women than we should be focusing on any other issue. Because if I can just give you numbers of the previous 3 years, 2021 to 2024, 13,500 women were killed in this country.
Ikomiti lasephalamende libhekele ezemidlalo belingeneme ngokuthi ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo uGayton McKenzie akazange alibhade ngesikhathi ubuholi beSAFA buvele ngaphambi kwaleli komiti.
Ngokusho kwekomiti elibhekele ezemidlalo ePhalamende, ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo uGayton McKenzie usephuthwe yimhlangano eminingana nokuyinto ayenze ngenhloso. Kusenjalo uMcKenzie useke wakhuluma kakhulu ngokusetshenziswa kohlelo lwezobuchwepheshe olusizona umpempe olubizwa ngeVAR inyangeni ezedlule. Ngakho ke leli bekuyithuba lokuthi kubuzwe imibuzo kube nezimpendulo.
There's a tendency by the minister not to attend our meetings. We discuss, we debate, we interrogate in the absence of the minister.
ISAFA ithi singasesigabeni sokwethula iVAR kuleli kodwa iveza ukuthi kuzombeqolo ukwethulwa kwayo nokuqeqesha labo abazobe beyisebenzisa.
So we need licensed VAR people that sit in a room, and then you also need licensed referees, match officials. Now we are at an advantage where we have, on average now, I think we've got about eight match officials that have extensively been trained through FIFA.
ISAFA isike yabhekana nengqinamba eminyakeni edlule nokuyinto eholele ekutheni isebenzi zingaholelwa ngesikhathi ngondasa. Luthintweka ningani udaba lomdlalo ogijima esiswini kubafana bafana uTebogo Mokoena njengoba adlala kungafanele emidlalweni welakuleli nelisuthu wokuhlungela wendebe yomhlaba. ISAFA ithi kusaphenywa ngalolu daba ithembisene ukuthi uzothathelwa inyathelo lowo owenza ukuba kufike kulesi sigaba.
Umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu.